Hello, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining you about home screen in Revit. Control D. If you press Control D in Revit, it's going to take you to the home screen in Revit. That's the first page you will ever open in Revit. Okay, so I'm going to press Control D. So we are here now. So here in this view, here you can see we have a scroll bar. If I drag this scroll bar down up, then you can see all the recent files, and here you can see these are model files. So model files, I'm having around 10 recent files, and here below we have families. They are recently opened family files. Okay, in the top left corner, here we have a Revit logo. If I click there, then I'm getting this option. So let's see one by one. So here we have restore. The same option is there even here also. If you press restore, that means you are going to get a resized window, and here again you can press maximize. Otherwise, if you click the same icon, then you can find maximize button. So the same button it's here. Close button you have, and here you have close button. Minimize button you have, and here you have minimize button. So move button you have. So and you can see that your cursor is changing. When you click move, your cursor is changing to move control. And then again if you click, and you have one more button called size. So I can see the same move button, but it's not working. But if I click size again, so I'm getting the same cursor image. And here if I keep it in the corner, so I can drag the screen, drag the Revit window, and then I can resize. So that's all there in the Revit logo button. Okay, let's maximize the window. Okay, the second button is your home button, and you can use Ctrl D as shortcut. And if you press Ctrl D, that's going to take you to the Revit ribbon menu, and here you can see everything is grayed out, and you might see something, but you can't use the tools. Insert, annotate, and here you have some option for work sharing monitor. Does that work really? I think that's going to open another window. And here we have manage models, show history, restore backup, and manage cloud models. And all other tools are grayed out. We have some option to transmit a model and to convert RFA to format. That's another format again. Okay, so these are the tool. You will be getting it by default. So in macros we have, these are for developers. Okay, so we cannot access any tools if we don't have any project open. If I go to file, then you are going to get the usual tools. Create a new project, new family, new conceptual mask, new title block, and new annotation symbol. So if you don't know what is project, what is family, then please wait. I'm going to explain you everything. And here again we have open a cloud model, open project, open family, open Revit file, open building component. That's an Autodesk Exchange file. And open IFC, and here below we have some sample files. And again we have save as option, save as library, family, group, view, and we have some export option. So that's all we get it from the file menu. And we have here open documents and history files. Okay, so that's all we are getting it from home screen. Okay, so this is your home screen, and here you are having model and families. So you have two buttons here to open a Revit model and to create a Revit model, and here you have open button to open a Revit family file and to create a new family file. And below here we have recent files. This is like a browser tab. So when it is recent files, so this is going to display you all the recent files. And here below, if you select Autodesk Docs, actually I don't have any account for Autodesk Doc. This is actually a facility from BIM 360. So once you opt for BIM 360, then this option should work. And here below we have some help menu, what's new, online help and community forum. All these links are going to take you to the Autodesk help link. So let's try. I'm going to click on the what's new button, and it's going to take me to Autodesk help website, help.autodesk.com. So here through this help menu you can actually learn all the Revit functionality and tools. And if you press online help, again it's going to open from the same website. They could have given only one button, but they have given 3 buttons to open the same page. Community forum, it's again going to take autodesk.com. So here you will be finding it kind of little groups, ideas, chats, all the discussions on Revit. And here we have some search bar. So whatever you type, again it's going to search on the help website. And here you can see help.autodesk.com, and it's searching the same key phrase here. You can minimize this bar, and then here you can see this is also help search. Again, and here you can find your account information, and the next one is for App Store button, and the next one is again help. What's new, we have the same button here. Revit community forum button we have here, and we have all the links. If you click, it's going to take you to the Autodesk website. Okay, so that's all about home screen. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.